everyone, I Shivasheesh Chandan
And I, Aaradhy.
are going to demonstrate to you the working of the automatic brake system. The automatic brake system is a device which stops the car when an object comes in front of it. It thus prevents road accidents and ensures the safety of the driver. It consists of an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino board, servo motor, a braking system, a DC motor present behind the wheel, and an accelerator pedal. The principle of this project is very simple. Let me explain it to you. Suppose this is the car. When an object comes in front of it, the ultrasonic sensor detects the distance between the car and the object. The motor angle is formulated through this equation. The distance variable gets replaced by the actual distance between the object and the car. As the distance is 40 cm, the angle of rotation is 25.2 degrees. This equated angle is entered into the motor, which rotates by the given angle. This rotation presses the brake and stops the car. Now I'm going to explain you the working of the ABS system. When the push button under the accelerator pedal is pressed, the circuit is complete and the DC motor rotates. When the brake pedal is pressed, the liquid from the larger syringe flows into the smaller syringe. This causes a friction against the wheel and stops it. Let me show you an example. As you can see here, the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object is being calculated every millisecond. Currently, the distance is about 28 cm. As I bring it forward, the distance reduces. As the distance reduces, the angle of the motor also changes. As you can see, we are using a small servo motor which does not have enough force and torque to press the brake. To improve this, we will need a larger and more powerful motor which can press the brake. Now I'll share with you some very unique features of the ABS system. This system works on a very unique method of signal transmission from the ultrasonic sensor to the servo motor with the help of Arduino. Secondly, it has the involvement of motors which can be controlled very easily. These features make this system almost error-free. Therefore, if this system is implemented in vehicles on a larger scale, we can definitely improve road safety and reduce the number of accidents to a great extent. Thank you.